Got up this morning to check out this ham meat here in Hayward. You know, bring out the 66 one time. I'm gonna check out something different out here, this import meat. You know, gonna get the photos of it. You know, doing things a little different. Black mirrors, black handles. Just doing things different. Yeah, they want to look at it.
All the dog fences. That guy's about to stop the sideshow. Yeah. I learned in the back of the car.
Oh, and just in case y'all Niner fans did know, oh yeah, I'm all in my Saints gear all day. Just so you know. All right? Yeah.
I just
Here at PNS.
my car. Yeah, let's go. Let's do it.
The ham meat. He always fills his areas up wherever he goes. Good following.
We out here.
Yeah, there you go.
Bayarea Ham.
Look at the little bikes they're on. These things are clean. Look at these. This is crazy. Little Honda units. It's crazy.
Yeah, he saw me go, you know that guy? I'm like, oh yeah, I know.
This NS6 is nice. Look at this. Woo. The way it just sits like that. Yeah. And they all the way in the back too. Right on the little scooter. And they're all the way in the back down here too. Wow. They wrapping around the whole back building. Look at the little lineup down there. Yeah. See, they come out and support each other. And I'm just gonna say that right now. They throw meat. They all come out. Boy, look at that. They support each other like it's nobody's business. Legend. Yeah, I'm gonna walk around the whole building almost. It feel like this little Datsun truck, vintage for real. Look at this. Wow. This thing is still on the road, huh? All right, y'all. That's just half the side, but y'all get an idea. Who's up here? What's up here? All right, y'all. Peace.